Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to be here to share with you the progress of RISC-V on AI and machine learning application, and also how NDIS help to taking RISC-V intelligence everywhere. So just about years ago, ChatGPT went online, and in a short 2 months, it grabbed over 100 million users. So this is break the record of 9 months previously. So ChatGPT is the largest language model deployed in the cloud. So then here come llamas, alpaca, vicuña, and guanaco. So what do they have in common? So there are 5 of the top 10 open source LLM models. And those cute animals all grow in the Andes Mountain. So 2023, we see the fast rising of open source LLM, either in foundation model or fine-tuned model. And they are driving the edge ecosystem for the on-device generative AI for applications such as AIoT, smartphone, smart home, and automotive. So the hardware support for transformer become necessary. It's not just for metric multiplication, but also for those common user functions like softmax, layer norm, Jelu, and so on. So besides LLM, transformer is also used elsewhere, such as 5G networking to greatly reduce congestion and improve the overall user experience, and also AR, VR, and others. And SSD controller is also look to leverage machine learning for computational storage application. But on the other hand, many AI applications still benefit from the good old CNN model. So from the chart, you can see that intelligence is needed everywhere, but with a wide range of computational requirements. For example, tiny ML in the endpoint may just need tens of MOPS, while big ML in the hyperscaler data center may need over 100 TOPS. So RISC-V architecture comes with great support for AI. First is vector extension, where computation happens on vector register with various lengths, and it also supports rich data format. And its high data parallelism is very suitable for applications such as ADAS, AR, VR, and data center AI acceleration. And the second is P extension, where computation happens on integer register, so 32 bits or 64 bits, and support fixed point data. So those are limited but efficient parallelism is very suitable for tiny ML for the endpoints. And also, RISC-V's extensibility enables the innovation for domain-specific acceleration instruction to use to efficiently tightly work with external accelerator or to hardening the critical function in the new models such as transformer, and also to adding the new data format before the standard get rectified. So next, we're going to talk about a couple of examples of AI machine learning SoC leverage RISC-V processor. First is MTIA, Meta Training Inference Accelerator, described in the ISCAP paper this year. There's also talk yesterday about this MTIA. But in the center of the accelerator is 64, an array of 64 PE, and each PE contains a scalar processor and a vector processor, and both are a configuration of an early version of the popular NX27V vector processor from NDIS. And Meta used custom extension extensively to create new interfaces and also instruction to tightly co-work with the green box there, which there is kind of accelerator. So the whole system performed quite well, reported on the paper, that on the low and medium complexity model, they can outperform the competitor. So Lightelligence is an expert on the photonics. So they're using optical NUC to share data with very low latency, and using optical MAC to process data with very fast speed. So in addition to the photonic coprocessor in their system, they also has multiple digital coprocessor to do computation, and certainly leverage multiple RISC-V vector processor to do very efficient floating point processing, and also using custom extension to enhance system management. Homo H30 is an SRAM-based computing memory SoC for ADAS and autonomous driving. So the whole system from the CIM macro offers 256 TOPS in the Intel 8 format. And their basic building block is a tile where they contain the macro array, special functional unit, shared memory, and also a vector processor to kind of tightly integrate with them. So the automatic tools offered by Andis greatly reduce and simplify the custom instruction effort so that they can, the tiles can work smoothly within all the different components without a bubble. And Accelera Merit is an SoC targeting for computer vision application. There's a presentation yesterday. So in the core of their system, there's a 4 powerful PE, and each one is with digital in-memory computing, and also a 4 megabyte SRAM. So together they deliver over 200 TOPS per chip. And the RISC-V processor is used for both PE control as well as system control to running Linux. Now, Tetraman, using their ARM-based analog in-memory computing on their SoC MX200. So together they have over 64K 8-bit Mac engine, and that deliver over 30 TOPS per watt performance, and to perform convolution and also matrix multiplication in the MPU. But the remaining operation, they leverage the RISC-V vector processor and the control processor to finish that. So we talk about kind of more big IRM, big ML. So here's kind of endpoint AI. So Renesas voice control ASSP is with 100 megahertz DSP capable D25F processor from Andis, and they use machine learning-based voice recognition application, which can get over 50% speed up the whole application using P extension. And Space Touch ST-V60 is the intelligent audio processor. They have over 100 TOPS, 100 GOPS MPU for noise reduction, echo cancellation, and so on. And also a micro DSP for some fixed function. And they also including a 400 megahertz D25F for the system control and also reserve performance for custom application. And their application is for intelligent voice and smartphone professional audio. I want to talk a little bit about Andis technology. We are a pure play CPI vendor for 18 years now, and we are founding and premium member since 2016. So Andis offer a series of process IP from the compact series to 3-stage, all the way to X60 series with 13-stage auto order running Linux multi-core. And together they offer embedded control, compute acceleration, Linux application processing, and also functional safety. So earlier we talked about the cloud processor D20F and X27V vector processor is up to 512 bits, and also 45 MPV is a new vector processor, can support up to 1K bits. So they have been used for AI, for cloud, as well as edge application. And all the Andis processor come with custom extension support. And in addition, X45 MPV support RVV style custom vector instruction, we call ACE-RVV. You can imagine logically, ACE-RVV just a function unit sit inside a vector function unit, like a vector processing unit, like other function unit. And it support up to 3 read, 1 write, to vector register file or integer floating-point register. So the computation itself can be defined by the customer. And we offer a very powerful tool called Compiler, which can automatically generate the needed extended RTL to our existing processor and the extended simulator component, and also extended tool component, especially enable LVN support for auto-vectorization, instruction scheduling, and register allocation to speed up. So here's some example for speed up using the ACE-RVV compared to the pure RVV. For the function like softmax, Jelu, sine, cosine, metric multiplication, convolution, and also complex multiplication. So the speed up can range from 1.7x all the way to 18x. And this has the 2 presentations yesterday. So if you want to know the detail, later on you can check the video when you go online. So NSL is our solution for hardware and software to cover the AI and machine learning application from edge to cloud. So NSL AI runs everywhere. So on the bottom is the RISC-V processor for compute acceleration, vector processor, SIMD processor, and then we have LVM to offer the auto vectorization, and we also have hand-optimized compute library, NN library, and so on. From the top, our SDK offers the pruning, quantization, and also optimization, and as well as the performance estimation. So when you tune the model, you can get quick feedback there. And it would automatically generate either the C code directly go to LVM for further optimization, or you can generate another NN model and go to the NN inference engine like TVN and TensorFlow Lite and so on. On the bottom right side, we have NDOA, which is NDIS on deep learning accelerator, which is called I350. So we provide driver there. And also, earlier we talked about the custom instruction, which goes through this ACE compiler framework, which can directly work with RTL and also the LVM compiler. And certainly for more sophisticated application, you may need a host processor running Linux or maybe RTOS, where we offer a series of processor for that purpose, from X25, X45, and also X65. So with this NDIS, we'd like to work with you guys to take AI application with RISC-V everywhere. Thank you.